Welcome learners. So first of all, a very happy new year 2022 to all of you. Hope this new year brings lots of success, happiness, peace to you. If you have decided to prepare for GATE 2023, we have got something big, pleasant surprise at Unacademy. Let me reveal that big, pleasant surprise a little later. But how we are conducting classes at Unacademy, let me brief you on that. So we have 100% live interactive sessions. Then you can ask questions during live classes through different means. You have a feature of raise hand wherein we can chat through voice message. You can easily interact with us. Then we have got a dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and we also have wonderful test series. So we deliver as a team a great quality. And if you have decided to work for GATE 2023, now I am revealing that pleasant big surprise. Earlier, we used to have 10% discount. But now, if you subscribe on Plus in between 1st and 3rd January, let me repeat, if you are subscribing on Unacademy Plus in between 1st January 2022 to 3rd January 2022, in between 1st and 3rd, if you subscribe, there will be a discount of, let me reveal, 22%. So you have a discount of 22%. It is enhanced from 10% to 22%, but that is available only on 3rd January, 2nd January and 1st January 2022. So if you have decided to work for GATE 2023, and this is the right time for you to work. So therefore, what are you waiting for? And we are here to deliver the best quality. And you can use my code if you want that 22% discount. This is my code, my dear students. So what are you waiting for? If you want the best quality, do join us and enjoy the journey of GATE 2023. So all the best. God bless you all. Thank you.